cold night. Yeah, Fiend playing on the radio. Car is cold, so we're just gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then maybe gonna push it a little bit. And yeah, guys, that's a little bit of today's video. No intro, chill, casual, and that's pretty much it. Just driving. Let me know if you like these videos of the POV style at night. Let me know if it looks good. Yeah, guys, subscribe please, and thank you so much for all the support. And let's just go. I would floor it right here, but my car is still cold, so we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit. I think when the car is warm, you'll notice. Yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. Bean. It's green. When I pull up, it's gonna turn red. Watch. Yep. Yellow. And red. Yep. This phone is really heavy. I think it's gonna leave a dent in my forehead. I need to find a way to make this a little bit more comfortable, especially for long drives. Yeah, as soon as you put it on the new head mount, it's pretty comfortable. Just the phone is so heavy that it weighs down the phone mount and pressures like on one point on my forehead, and just makes it a little bit uncomfortable for a long period of time. And it's probably gonna leave a dent. Yeah, all worth it for the video, for the boys. Come on, every day, god damn. Is it gonna turn red? Maybe not. Yeah, we cleared it. Nice. Currently sitting at 60 degrees of temperature. The car should be at 90. Yeah. It's pretty weird driving with this on my forehead. It covers a little bit of my vision. And sometimes, if I drop it too low, it covers my entire vision, especially like if I look a little bit down. It covers my entire vision of the road. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna crash because especially if I want to turn my head really fast, really weird, because because the phone is heavy. Yeah, this with the GoPro would be much smoother, I'm feeling, because it's lighter. But yeah, that's what I have. All I have is my phone. And I'm pretty lucky. I have a phone with a nice camera, so I'm pretty lucky. But yeah, actually really happy with these new video results. Because before, like, it's not, it's the only thing that I had was my phone, so I could only place the phone in my seat, and the videos were okay, but they weren't what I envisioned for them, because it was so, you guys couldn't see anything, you could just see a little bit of the road, I couldn't see a little bit of my steering wheel. But now you have so much more, you see my hand movements. It's like you're here with me driving the car, and you experience it with me, which makes it better for the videos. The videos move a lot faster, and I've recorded some stuff of me going at it. I still haven't watched it though, but I'm guessing it looks faster. It was one of my concerns in the previous videos, is that it looked slow because the phone was stationary, so it looked slow to the video, but I was actually going pretty fast. So yeah, here I'm guessing it's going to look faster and better. I'm faster, I'm better, I am better. Yeah, let me know if the sound is better as well. I think the sound, earlier I recorded a clip, it was not even supposed to be to record the sound of it, I just wanted to use a clip exactly of me singing here at the car, and you just heard my breathing so damn much. I was just breathing normally, and it looked like I was one of those creepy guys on the phone, like on a Scream, just breathing on the phone. And I feel pretty weird, like having this on my head, like especially when people look at me, like they look twice. I feel judged by people. I just see a guy driving his car with with the phone mounted on his forehead, a big black strap around his head securing the phone. Like, it's just weird, especially during daylight when I'm driving through neighborhoods and people can see me, or other cars. It's so weird, man. I was recording a video for you guys, and I wanted to shoot some POV stuff outside the car, and I don't know, there were just so many people on the street. I was so embarrassed to get out of the car with this phone on my head. Yeah, it was pretty cringe, and it got to a point where the people were waiting for me to put this on my forehead to appear. Like, the coast is clear, no one is around. The second I put my phone on my forehead, like one person showed up, and then I take it out, and then I put it again, another person, and then I put it again, no one showed up. I pressed record, I recorded for like 2 seconds, more people. It was getting pretty hard to shoot the damn video, but yeah, I still gotta get used to it. Like, I'm just still not used to filming in public. I always film by myself, so I guess that's something that comes with experience. So, car's warmed up, let's drop a gear and disappear. Whee! Fourth, fifth, let's go. It's so dark. I don't know if you guys can see the road ahead. I sure as hell can't. And then see, like, I feel like I'm going to, one bad movement with my head, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, just maybe crash, or just me, just feels like my head is not as free to make movements. And also I want to make a little bit more exaggerated movements for you guys to be able to see as well. So you guys see my rearview mirror and stuff. But yeah, it's really hard not to get distracted with a big ass phone in your field of view. I don't even know if you guys can see the speed I'm going. Should I do this? Let's go. Fuck it. Oh shit, I'm not gonna make it, I'm not gonna make it! I am gonna make it. Oh shit. Don't do this at home, kids. The guy behind me is flashing me. Don't do this at... Don't do this at home, kids, please. Don't be like me. I was under the speed limit, officer. I don't know why you pulled me over. Yeah, guys, this is what I mean. Like, this car is just fun. And I like 5.1 liters per, you know, of average. Oh shit, there was a big asshole there. Second gear and disappear. Whee! I'm not even full throttle. Like, man, oh man, this feels good. I missed you guys, man. I'm not gonna open the window. There was a while I was not making videos. I apologize. I was, you know, I ordered this head mount from AliExpress. You know, came to a point where I ordered it. I reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys, by the way, again. And then I just wanted to make videos with hand mount, so I kind of needed to wait because, you know, it takes a little bit to get here, right? I don't live in China. So yeah, I was kind of waiting to get this to finally start recording. So yeah, guys, hopefully now the videos are going to be a little bit more consistent. Yeah, so that is today's video, and I hope you seriously liked it, and I hope it looked good. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for 100 subscribers again. Please subscribe for more content like this and for more dangerous overtakes like the one I just did earlier. And thank you so much, guys, for everything. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. And peace.